Today we are going to be introduced to the two main groups of animals. At this point, you need to open the animal groups documents and follow along as I read aloud. There are millions of types of animals on Earth. To make them easier to understand and study, scientists put animals into groups. These groups are based on shared traits. One trait scientists use is whether or not an animal has a backbone. So this is really important. Can you guys say backbone? Backbone. A backbone is a line of many small bones that runs down the middle of an animal's back. An animal with a backbone is called a vertebrate. Humans are vertebrates, and so are dogs, fish, pigeons, and iguanas. Right now, you can take your hand and go along your back in the middle, and you can feel your spine or your backbone. An invertebrate is an animal that not only has no backbone, it does not have any bones at all. Invertebrates are more common than vertebrates. Jellyfish, beetles, snails, and spiders are invertebrates. So the difference between a vertebrate and an invertebrate is vertebrates have a backbone, and invertebrates do not have a backbone or any bones. Are there more vertebrates or invertebrates on the Earth? Invertebrates, actually. We'll be doing a special project with invertebrates at the end of the school year. Page 65, invertebrates. Invertebrates can be found all over Earth. Most are small, like insects. A few, such as the giant squid, can grow as long as a school bus. Instead of bones, invertebrates have other structures that hold up and protect their bodies. Many have a thin, hard covering called an exoskeleton. Lobsters, grasshoppers, and spiders have exoskeletons. Some, such as snails and clams, have hard outer shells. Others, such as sea stars, have shells inside their bodies. A few, such as jellies, depend on the water in which they live to support their bodies. Arthropods, arthropods. We will do a very special project with arthropods at the end of the school year. Make up the biggest group of invertebrates. There are over 800,000 named species of arthropods. Arthropods have exoskeletons, bodies with more than one segment, and legs with joints. Spiders, ants, centipedes, and shrimp are all arthropods. The photo below shows some of the many kinds of arthropods. Now go to Class Dojo Portfolio and answer the question, how is an vertebrate and an invertebrate different?